Have you heard of PowerToys? PowerToys is the ultimate toolbox that Microsoft doesn't advertise enough. They are toys for everyone. Toys on our computers that we are not making the most out of it. What if I told you your PC has a secret weapon? A free set of tools that can boost your productivity, simplify your workflow, and make you feel like a power user, all with just a few clicks. It's called the Power Toys. Yes, you've heard of toys. These are not toys for only kids, they are toys for everyone. Before we get to it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tech related content to boost our productivity. Let's get to it.
If you are new to PowerToys is a set of free utilities or tools developed by Microsoft that can add or change features of our computer to enhance user experience for greater productivity and good for customization. To use PowerToys, it is available in Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. Let's take a look at how to install PowerToys. To use PowerToys, you can get it from Microsoft Store, or you can go onto the internet and type PowerToys and locate the version that best suits your computer, and let's get on with it. I'm going to share with you my top PowerToys tools that I personally use. Let's take a look at it. In PowerToys, there are 5 sections. There is system tools, there is windowing and layout, there is input and output, there is file management, and then advanced. All these sections have tools that you can use to customize or enhance the use of your computer. Make it more fun and easier to use your computer. Let's get on with it. Let's take a look at the PowerToys dashboard. This is the PowerToys settings, and with the settings you see the dashboard, the general tab, and you can see the sections that I spoke about. There is system tools, there's windowing and layouts, there's inputs and output, there's file management and advanced. With these sections hold the tools that you can use to customize or enhance the use of your computer for greater productivity. Let's look at what each section has for us, what tool each section has for us. And on the system tools tab, there is advanced paste, there is awake, there is command palette, there is color picker, there is PowerToys Run, screen ruler, shortcut guide, text extractor, zoom it. All these tools can enhance the use of our computer. So come along, let me show you let me show you my favorites out of all these, so that with practice you can also get your favorite and use it to customize the use of your computer. Improve upon your productivity with PowerToys. It's not just the name toys, it is how productive it can be to you. Let's take a look at my favorites. When we are done with this video, let me know which one is your favorite. Put it in the comment section. Let's all learn together. On the PowerToys dashboard, you can see by default the tools that are already turned on. You can see it for yourself. On the enabled section, you see that all those tools that are turned on have their checkbox turned on. You can see it for yourself. This is it. Once you scroll down, you see all those tools that are turned on that you can access now. And as you scroll down, you see the ones that are disabled or turned off by default. As and when you want to use it, you turn it on and then make the most of that tool. It's as easy as that. They also have their shortcut keys beside it. If you pay close attention to it or you take a closer look at it, they all have their shortcut keys in accessing that tool beside it. For easy accessibility, you use shortcut keys to make your life easier with the use of your computer. The first of my favorites is always on top. With always on top in PowerToys, you get to keep a window or like a video player or a calculator, whatever window that is open on your screen. When you have several or multiple windows open, or you have opened a media player, or you are calculating something and you want to verify it with your calculator, once you select that window, your calculator goes behind the open window. If you want to make your calculator or the media player visible on other opened windows, you have to take advantage of the always on top feature in PowerToys. All you have to do is use the shortcut keys, the Windows plus Control plus T. Press and hold the Windows key plus Control plus T, and boom, there you have it. That window or media player or calculator that you have opened will now be pinned on top of everything or every open files or windows you have on your computer. Even when you click away, you will see a colored border around the window. That's how you know it is active. You can also customize the border color and thickness in settings too. And if you want to turn it off, all you do is press and hold the Windows key again, plus Control key, plus T, and it will turn it off. PowerToys Always on Top is a game changer for multitasking on Windows. Try it out and let me know how you are using it in the comment section.
Say you use always on top feature na our PowerToys no mu na ono oboa awona wo ye files bebre ho adwuma wo won computer do no ebia ebu document bi ana ebu several files files bebre wo computer no do, but ehia de epede ema file bi na nkoten other screen no do wa bra on fi screen do nkonko share files a ebu no nature. With always on top feature na our computer no do no able to may freeze them particular window no ana player na order no ana say use calculator no so obe freeze them calculator no another folder na ebu no na nkoten them obeya ebu other files an konko shichi, it will always be on top them and needing it no. Share the next one.
Have you ever had your PC go to sleep right in the middle of a long download, a presentation, or when you are just watching something or a video? Let me show you how to stop that without changing your system settings using Awake. That's a smart tool from Microsoft. Let me take you through it. Awake is one of many handy utilities in PowerToys designed to keep your computer awake without you needing to adjust your sleep settings or jiggle your mouse. To enable it, open PowerToys from Start menu, locate the PowerToys tab, click on it, toggle it or turn it on, and choose which option best suits you, either to keep it awake indefinitely, or you keep your system awake until you turn it off, or you set a time interval or keep it awake temporarily. Say set a specific amount of time like 30 minutes or 2 hours. And after that set time interval, your computer will go to sleep. Or if you want to shut it down, you can shut it down just as you want it. No more annoying interruptions or having to mess with your system settings. PowerToys keeps things simple and smart. Are you tired of opening apps just to check what's inside a file? Imagine being able to preview any file instantly without launching a program. Sounds cool, right? Let's talk about PowerToys' hidden gem, the Peek feature. Peek in PowerToys is like a mini version of Quick Look on Mac OS. It lets you preview files like images, code, text, and more without fully opening them in a separate app. Let me show you how to use it. Launch the PowerToys app. The dashboard will open for you. Locate the Peek app, or on the sidebar, locate Peek from the file management section. Turn it on or toggle it, and let me show you how to use it. Select any supported file like an image, a Word document, a PDF. Once selected, hit Ctrl key, press and hold it, and then press the space bar. With both of them pressed together, you will see a preview of what's inside the Word document, the PDF, or the image without opening or launching the application to see what's inside. Sounds great, right? A preview window will pop up showing the file's content without launching the full app. You can even resize, scroll, or copy directly from the preview. Once the modifier key and the space bar are pressed. Once you press and hold the control key plus space again, or you hit escape, the peek window will close. This sounds exciting. I would like everyone to try it and let me know how it feels like taking advantage of this tool to make your experience with computers a better one, to help you make the most of your computers. The peek feature is fast, light, and a serious time saver, especially if you work with lots of files every day. If you like this quick breakdown, hit the subscribe section and let's get on with the next one. Have you ever seen a perfect color on your screen and wished you could grab it instantly? Whether you are designing, coding, or just curious, let me show you a free tool in PowerToys that lets you pick any color from anywhere on your screen like a pro. Color Picker is a simple but powerful tool that lets you pick any color from your screen and copy its code instantly in hex, RGB, HSL, you name it. Let me show you how to enable it. Open PowerToys from your system tree or start menu. On the dashboard of PowerToys, you will see all the features on the dashboard, but in System Tools section on the sidebar, select it and turn it on. Let me show you how to use the color picker. Press and hold the Windows key plus Shift plus C to use the color picker. Once it is done, your screen will dim slightly and your cursor becomes a color selector. Once it has become a color selector, hover over any pixel on your screen or hover the color selector on any color of your screen, website, app, image, video, and then click it. Once it is clicked, the color selector will copy the color code to the clipboard and boom, you have the color for yourself. After that, a color history window pops up showing the selected color and its variations in different formats in hex, RGB, and the likes. You can customize which color formats appear and even enable an editor to adjust shades, brightness, or transparency after picking. Color Picker is one of those features you didn't know you needed until you use it once. If this helped you out, tap on like button, hit subscribe, and put your comment in the comment section. Once the color picker has selected the color code, you can use it in any of these image editing softwares like Photoshop. Try it out, put your comment in the comment section. Are you tired of using Photoshop just to resize a few images? Whether you are prepping photos for social media, email, or your website, Let me show you how to resize images in seconds using PowerToys built-in image resizer tool. Image Resizer is a fast, no fuss tool that lets you resize images directly from File Explorer with just a right click. No need to open another app. Let me show you how to enable it. Open PowerToys from Start menu. Then on the dashboard, you see Image Resizer, or on the sidebar on the File Management tab, you locate Image Resizer and turn it on. Once it is turned on, let me show you how to use it. Open File Explorer, select one or multiple files, image files, whether in JPEG format or PNG format. Right click and choose Resize Pictures. A pop-up will appear with several size presets: small, medium, large, phone or custom sizes, or even define your own sizes. Choose your size, format, and whether to overwrite or create copies. Click Resize and it will be done in seconds. If you have ever struggled with resizing images one by one, this tool will save you hours. Try it out and let me know in the comments what use case helped you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more tech shortcuts like this. Did you ever have to rename dozens or hundreds of files manually? It is painful, right? What if I told you there's a smarter, faster, and totally free way to bulk rename files in Windows? Let me introduce to you PowerRename from PowerToys. PowerRename is a powerful bulk renaming tool that lets you search and replace text in file names. Use regular expressions, add prefixes, suffixes, or even change file extensions, all from your right-click menu. Let me show you how. Open PowerToys. On the dashboard, locate PowerRename. Turn it on and let me show you how to use PowerRename. Select the files you want to rename in File Explorer. Right-click and choose PowerRename. The PowerRename window opens. In the Search For field, type the text or pattern you want to change. In the Replace With field, enter the new text. Use checkboxes for options like case sensitivity, match file extension, use regular expressions, preview before renaming. Click Apply, and then all files are renamed instantly. PowerRename is a serious time saver and helps keep your file organization on point. If this tool helped clean up your messy folders, hit like, subscribe, and tell me more about it in the comment section. What files you are renaming next? Have you ever wanted to copy text from a photo, a scanned PDF, or even a locked window where you can't highlight the text? What if I told you there's a shortcut for that and it's built right into PowerToys? Let's talk about the text extractor feature. The text extractor feature in Microsoft PowerToys is like having an instant OCR tool. It's like having an optical character recognition, that's an OCR tool, built right into your desktop or PC. It's a lifesaver for students, researchers, office workers, and anyone who needs to grab text from images, PDFs, or logged documents. The text extractor, like I said, like an on-screen OCR tool that lets you instantly copy text from images, videos, apps, and PDFs, even when you can't highlight the text. It's like taking a screenshot but getting text instead of a picture. It's like using the snipping tool. If you've not heard of the snipping tool, I've made a video about it and I'll put it in the description. Check it out and keep on improving on your tech related skills. Let's take a look at how to enable PowerToys feature text extractor. Open PowerToys in your start menu. On the dashboard, locate text extractor or locate it on the sidebar. Turn it on and let me show you how to use the text extractor feature. Open anything that has visible text, an image, a PDF, a web page, or video frame. Press Windows plus Shift plus T. Your screen will dim. Now click and drag to select the area containing text. Release the mouse and just like that, the text is copied to your clipboard. Now you can paste it in Microsoft Word, Notepad, or anywhere you want. Text Extractor is one of those tools you never knew you needed until you use it. And then you can't imagine life without it. If this made your workflow faster, hit the like, subscribe, and tell me more about it in the comment section. What's the craziest place you copied text from? Tell me. The mouse utilities in Microsoft PowerToys are a productivity goldmine designed to help you quickly find your cursor, highlight clicks, and enhance focus during tutorials, live streams, or presentations. Have you ever lost track of your mouse pointer on a cluttered screen? Or maybe you are recording a tutorial and want your clicks to stand out. Let me show you how to turn your mouse into a productivity tool using PowerToys mouse utilities. Mouse utilities is a set of handy features inside PowerToys that enhance your mouse visibility and control. It includes Find My Mouse, Mouse Highlighter, Mouse Pointer Crosshair. To enable it, open PowerToys dashboard, locate mouse utilities on the dashboard or on the left sidebar. Turn it on and enjoy its features ranging from Find My Mouse, Mouse Highlighter, Mouse Jump, Mouse Pointer Crosshair. To use the Find My Mouse feature in mouse utilities, all you have to do is press the Control key twice. Right after doing it, instantly dims the screen and puts a spotlight around the mouse pointer. It is super useful when using large monitors, ultra wides, or when screen sharing. You can customize the animation duration, color, and opacity. Mouse utilities turns your everyday cursor into a smart assistant. Whether you are a content creator, educator, or just someone who loses their mouse too often, this one's for you. Let's take a look at the fastest way to search for things on your computer. I personally love this one. Do you want to open apps, search for files, launch websites, or do quick calculations, all from one shortcut? Say hello to PowerToys Run, the fastest way to get things done on your Windows PC. The PowerToys Run feature is like a spotlight search for Windows. It is fast, smart, and designed for power users. It's one of the most powerful productivity boosters in PowerToys, especially for people who love keyboard shortcuts like me and hate wasting time clicking through menus. Let's take a look at PowerToys Run. PowerToys Run is a search and launcher tool like Spotlight on Mac that lets you quickly launch applications, search files and folders, perform quick calculations, convert units, run shell commands, even trigger plugins like Windows settings, processors, and more. And it has a plugin for calculators where you can use it to calculate things on the go as fast as possible. Let's take a look at how to enable PowerToys Run. Open PowerToys Run just as we have gone through various features with the same procedure. Open the PowerToys Run dashboard and locate the PowerToys Run on the dashboard, or you'll find it on the left sidebar. Turn it on. It's normally by default turned on, and to access it, use the alternate key plus the space bar. Press and hold the alternate key and then press the space bar to activate and use the PowerToys Run feature. Once you press and hold the alt key and the space bar to access it, it will open for you to search for anything, any application you want to use on your computer. It's as easy as that. It can be used to perform calculations. It can be used to open applications, access all your computer's features with just one shortcut key. If you love speed and hate distractions, PowerToys is your best friend. It's like having a personal command center at your fingertip. Hit like if this helped, tap subscribe for more PowerToys power apps, and tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you launched using PowerToys Run?
To quickly access the PowerToys, go to your notification area, click on it, and the quick access toolbar will be displayed to you. Select which one you want to use, turn it on, and enjoy the features PowerToys brings to you. Click on more to see all the features and have fun learning how to use your smart device or computer productively.
The bonus tip I'll give you is the introduction of the shortcuts guide in PowerToys. The shortcuts guide is a quick reference overlay that shows you all the Windows key-based shortcuts you can use right when you hold down the Windows key. It's perfect for learning and mastering keyboard shortcuts without Googling them or memorizing them. Let me show you how to enable it. Open PowerToys, and by default on the dashboard it is turned on. So all you do is you press and hold the Windows key and use the alphabets to display the desktop, to open File Explorer, to open the clipboard history, to use the arrow keys, the Windows key with the arrow keys to snap windows, and a lot more as you are seeing on the screen. The shortcut guide is like having a Windows cheat sheet on demand. Whether you are new to shortcuts or just want to boost your speed, this tool is a total game changer. If you found this helpful, hit like, tap the subscribe, and comment below. Which Windows shortcuts do you use the most?
PowerToys proves one thing: productivity isn't about doing more. It's about removing friction out of the things you do each day. Whether you are a student, a professional, or a creator, PowerToys is for you. New features are continuously being updated, so constant practice, you become better and better as you use these PowerToys features. Continue to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share for others to benefit from this video. I'll see you in the next video.